These money-making apps that I'll share with you in today's video can generate you extra income. They are free to join and work for both iOS and Android devices. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. But just before we start, let me remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies, just like these ones on how to make money online. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, also share it with your friends too, and leave a comment down below if you want to ask me any question or to give an opinion about this strategy. So with that said, I'm going to start right away, since I'm going to give you multiple apps, and of course there are some apps that I've never mentioned before in my channel, so I highly recommend that you stay tuned until the end and you will not get lost or confused. So the very first app that I want you to introduce you today is going to be this one called Clickworker, and it's over at clickworker.com. Right off the bat, I want you to go over to Clickworker job area so you can see what you can do in order to get paid with this platform. It's going to take you over to this other page where you can see that you can profit from your talents. This is a platform that is always looking for internet users worldwide, so it is available for anyone in the world, and you can just create or correct text, you can just participate in surveys or search and categorize data for them. So it works like this. You can just sign up as a click worker free of charge. Also, you're going to work independently, your schedule is going to be flexible, all you need is a computer or mobile device, since they also offer an app on Google Play Store and App Store, and you need internet connection. Of course, it's you who decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. Let's see some other features as well. As you can see, it works on App Store and Google Play Store. You can just check out their app. You're going to notice at App Store that they got 4 stars out of more than 1000 of ratings, which is pretty awesome actually, and here on Google Play Store they got 4.3 stars and also 1 million of downloads. So this is a very loved app by people. Back to their official website, you're going to notice what type of jobs you can do over here. For example, you can just do text creation, you can create informative text, product descriptions or articles about a given topic, you can do categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys by sharing your opinion and participating in various types of surveys. You can get paid. They offer you mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, audio recordings and video recordings as well. And it works like this. You're going to just sign up for a free account, you're going to fill out your user profile, complete some short tasks, then you're going to see that good results are going to ensure you many jobs that you can do. Then you're going to do the job and get paid on a weekly or monthly basis, and they pay you through PayPal as well, as you can see. You're going to also check out all of the benefits that you get by this platform. So this was the first app that I wanted to introduce to you. You can even register here for absolutely free by clicking on the register button and selecting for click workers, and it's going to take you over to this page where you can just put your gender, also your title, last name, first name, username, email address, password, confirm the password and click on the continue button. So I'm going to proceed to the next platform for today, which is called Clipclaps. This is over at clipclaps.com. You can see that they have an app on App Store and Google Play Store. This is just like their official website. You can see that you can discover fun at your fingertips. You can just watch some funny videos and you can get paid for that. They give you a lot of rewards. As you can see, you can turn your time into money and get some rewards, and also you can just see the hottest original content. Having fun and get paid is the ultimate dream. You can just go over to their app on App Store and Google Play Store. You're going to notice that on Google Play Store they have more than 10 million of downloads and 2.8 reviews. Stars actually out of more than 832,000 of reviews. But the thing is that these are not very good reviews actually. Maybe there are some bugs here on the Android version. You can check out the reviews by yourself if you are an Android user, but you're going to notice that here on App Store they got pretty good review, 4.1 out of 5 actually, and they have like almost 5,000 of ratings. So it works better here on the iOS version. So give it a try and let me know in the comments down below what you think about this platform. So this was the second platform or app that I wanted to share with you today. I'm going to proceed to another one, which is called Airtasker. This is over at airtasker.com. As you can suggest from the name, you're going to do some tasks to get paid. So people come here in order to ask some people to just do some jobs for them, or even to work here. So just click on earn money as a tasker, since you're going to make money online today, and you can just earn up to $2,500 a month on Airtasker. By scrolling down, you're going to see what they offer. You're going to be your own boss. You see who is going to choose the people that you're happy to work with, or the jobs that you want to work, and so on. They offer you, of course, payments from via Airtasker Pay, and insurance is covered. You can see that you can browse some tasks, the one that you want the most. Also, you can make an offer, do the task well, and get paid, and you can even improve your profile so you can get even more jobs to do. And there is a FAQ section over here, so I want to mention some things. For example, what you can do with this platform, and there are some home-based tasks such as cleaning, gardening, handyman tasks, and so on, but also office-based tasks, so you can just do marketing, graphic design, and web development tasks from the comfort of your home. So there are also a bunch of interesting tasks as well, like wedding help, cake baking, costume making, and so on. You're going to get paid once again through Airtasker Pay. You can read more information about it here, and also you can see some other features as well that you can read by your own. Just click on the Become a Tasker button up here in order to just apply for it. So you can just create an account, but you can even go over to Google Play Store and App Store because they offer an app. You can also see here on Google Play Store that they got more than 1 million of downloads and 4.5 stars out of more than 20,000 of reviews. So it is a very loved app by people, and on App Store they got 4.8 stars out of 5, better than on Google Play Store, and more than 148,000 of ratings. So this is a great app for you to get started if you want to do some tasks online, but also physically as well. So I'm going to proceed also to the last platform for today, which is called Inbox Dollars, and it's over at inboxdollars.com. You're going to be rewarded for taking surveys, shopping, and getting cash offers, and also playing games. And you can see that they give you a $5 bonus if you just put your email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on sign me up so you can create your free account. You can see how it works and why they are paying you. So brands pay them for consumer input. They recruit members just like you, and you're going to do those online activities, and you're going to earn real cash, not points actually. And you can see all the needed information for each of the tasks that you're going to complete. They have paid more than $80 million in cash rewards to their members. They have some reviews from Trustpilot as well, so you can check them out, but also check out their app on App Store and Google Play Store. Here they got on Google Play Store more than 5 million of downloads and 4 stars reviews, and also on App Store they got 4.5 stars out of more than 100,000 of reviews. So this is a great platform and a legit one to get paid. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you like it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.